Let's Marvin Gaye and get it on. You got the healing that I want, just like they say in the song. Till the dawn, let's Marvin Gaye and get it on. We got this king size to ourselves. Don't have to share with no one else. Don't keep your secrets to yourself. It's Kama Sutra show and tell. Yeah. Whoa, there's loving in your eyes that pulls me closer. It's so subtle, I'm in trouble, but I love to be in trouble with you. Let's Marvin Gaye and get it on. You got the healing that I want, just like they say in the song. Until the dawn, let's Marvin Gaye and get it on. You got to give it all to me. I'm screaming mercy, mercy, please, just like they say in the song. Until the dawn, let's Marvin Gaye and get it on.
And when you leave me all alone, I'm like a stray without a home. I'm like a dog without a bone. I just want you for my own. I got to have you, babe. Oh, there's love in your eyes that pulls me closer.
It's so subtle, I'm in trouble, but I'd rather be in trouble with you. It's Marvin Gaye and get it on. Ooh, baby, I got that healing that you want, yeah.
Like they say in the songs, on to the dawn, let's Marvin Gaye and get it on. Let's Marvin.
That butt.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Just a little bit. Patty cake with no hands. Got me in this club making wedding plans. If I take pictures while you do your dance, I can make you famous on Instagram. Hot damn it. Your booty like two planets. Go ahead and go ham sandwich. Whoa, I can't stand it. 'Cause you know what to
So, okay, mag-start na ko. In 1, 2, 3. Unsay pasabot sa punctuation? Edi, pang-enroll. Second. Unsa ang pasabot sa ice buko? Edi, ayos ba buko? Woo! Unsay pasabot sa tenacious? Edi, sapatos na pang tennis. Kalahi na. Ano ang deposit? Edi, gripo. Ano naman ang defeat? Edi, paa. Ano naman ang persuading? Edi, unang kasal. Use 1, 2, 3 in a sentence. Use it. Oh no! Those stairs are on fire! Use curtain and kitchen in a sentence. Use it! Wag mo kong curtain, matcha kitchen! Woo! No to drugs, no! Hi, Ma! Happy 19th birthday! Oh my God! 19 na ka! You're so oldie na. Grabe tao, happy birthday. I love you. Maski tiguang na ka. Pretty gyapon ka o bright. Kau na tanana nasayo na ang lahat. O, diba? Daniel Padilla lang. Happy birthday kayo, ma. I love you so much. I miss you. Sorry kung wala ta nakita sa yung birthday kay wala mong good ka nang invite ba. Joke lang. Pero bitaw maunta. Nag-greet ka personally, tapos, diba, lahir ang gid sa feeling, church, wala jug herbs. Ito, maoy, maski wala man ta nag-uban karon, o wala ti ka na sa tawa ni, na nag-greet personally, so, diri na lang. Char malet. So ma, happy birthday, happy 19th birthday. Unta tanan imong goals, dreams, wishes, imong life matupad, and unta dili ko nimo malimtan, unta wala pa jud ko nimo nalimtan. You're beautiful, gorgeous, sexy, beautiful. Balik-balik, daughter. Yeah ma, maski wala jud kita-kita, wala gyapon ti ka nalimtan, and salamat kay sa tanan, sa friendship, 'di ba? Friendship. Shamsi Sup, 'di ba? Remember? Char. Bitaw ma, happy birthday. More power, more power. More power, and God bless you always. Don't forget, I'm always here for you no matter what happens. Pero maski dagan kag friends ma, nagselos gud ko, pero joke lang. Pero gamay, char. Bitaw, oy, joke lang. Wala, oy, dili pa ako selosa. Pero bitaw ma, oy, miss na dyan kay tika, and gusto tika ma-bond. Banding ba, di ba? Talagang plano, pupunta na dayon good. Pero, di na ako mag-yoyo, kaya di ba, birthday gani. I miss you ma, sila ko balik-balik, oy, pero love you tika, kay love tika, magbalik-balik yun. I love you, I love you, I love you. So, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy 19th birthday. Happy 19th birthday. O, diba? Sarang plaka. I love you, ma. I love you. Good kaayo. And, yun ko kalimte itong Paris. Oh my God. Unta, mo graduate good ka na magna cum laude. And, unta, i-invite ko din mo sa mong celebration. And, yeah, pero, sige, ako na lang sponsor sa imong celebration with bongacious. O, diba? Mura jug, no, di na ako mag-tell. So, bitaw maoy. Kanang ano pa, happy birthday. Wala jug ko sa akong ingon nga. Basta happy birthday. I love you so much. Unta, happy kasi monde and always be happy. Smile. No matter what happens. Smile lang yun. Kaya wala ikatabang ang sadness sa imuhang problema. Kundi smile, think positive. Yeah, kaya. Kanang memorize sus, kaya ra na laban para sa future. Para, di ba? Para sa future. I love you, ma. Bye-bye. So, tama na dyan siguro siya. So, bye-bye na dyan siya. I love you. Bye-bye sa video. Dili, bye-bye as in, bye-bye na bye-bye. Okay, walang forever. Kami lang ni Maanik forever. Char. I love you, ma. I love you, I love you, I love you. And happy birthday. I love you so much and I miss you. Unta magkita na dyan tao. Sige, nadagdagan. Okay, bye-bye. I love you. Mwah. Bye-bye.